Hello and welcome to my tutorial video in Animoto. Animoto allows you to create videos from photos and video content. It's an easy tool that allows you to add text and sound and is great for presentations. I've created slides and short videos along the way to help you learn how to use Animoto and its features. After you have made your account, you can come to this screen and go to the blue button that says Create. This will then take you to this next screen where you will be allowed to choose your template. They have recommendations for you. They also have different types of templates that you can look through. So I suggest scrolling through them and checking them out to see which one best suits your need for your presentation or the video that you're trying to create. I'm going to go ahead and start from scratch. So I will click on this and it will take me to this next screen. Now I have a choice to choose the theme already. Then I can choose the aspect ratio and upload media. I'm not going to do this, but I want to just show you the different options here. And down here, it tells you which ratio fits best for whether you're using Instagram or Facebook. And then you can better make your choice based on what you're needing it for. And then also, if you want to upload media and you already have it, you can put it in already. If not, if you don't have any photos or videos, you can use their stock library and they have some really great options. I'm going to go ahead and skip this for now. And it brings me to this next screen.